how to pay with PayPal balance instead of credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to use your PayPal balance instead of your debit or credit card. Setting a preferred way to pay online can help you check out even faster. And of course, you'll always be able to choose a different way to pay at checkout. PayPal will use it when you shop online, and you can send payments to pay for your goods and services, also sending money to friends and family, and PayPal will first show the options that can save you money on fees like your PayPal balance or your bank. More about using PayPal balance as preferred: if you have multiple currencies transactions, using balance may be subject to currency conversion fees. And I will going to show you on how to do that. First is you need to log into your PayPal account, and on the settings, you have to click payments, and then in here, you can manage your automatic payments. You can choose a preferred way to pay, you can earn rewards and do more on PayPal. Since we're focusing on the using of PayPal balance, just go to online purchases, and we will going to select our preferred way to pay online. PayPal will use this when you shop online or send money for your goods and services, and always you can choose a different way to pay at checkout. Since we are focused on using our PayPal balance, we will be ticking this, and if you don't have enough money in your balance, we will ask you to pick one of your other payment method. Make sure you've set it as the preferred payment method, and if you're having a trouble still, it could be because PayPal is charging a fee or you don't have enough money in your balance. You can always contact PayPal customer support if you need help. Just click this and then click confirm, and now you already set your PayPal balance as your preferred way to pay online. And that is it. That is how you set your PayPal balance as your preferred payment method. How to receive money or to send money on Western Union. First is I would like to state some benefits of Western Union when receiving money globally. First would be convenience. Western Union has a vast network of agent locations in over 200 countries and territories, making it easy to receive money from anywhere in the world. You can pick up your money in cash or have it deposited directly into your bank account. Second would be speed. Western Union money transfers are typically very fast, with many transfers arriving within minutes. That is important if you need to receive money quickly for an emergency or other urgent need. Third would be reliability. Western Union is a trusted money transfer company with a long history of reliable service, and you can be confident that your money will arrive safely and on time. Fourth would be transparency. Western Union upfront about this fees and exchange rates before you send or receive money, and this means that you know exactly what you're paying and how much money your recipient will receive. The last would be flexibility. Western Union offers a variety of ways to send and receive money, including online, through its app, and in person at agent locations. This gives you the flexibility to choose the method that is most convenient for you and for your sender. So let's go, and I will show you on how to receive money. First is you need to go to westernunion.com, and then in the dashboard you can see here track a transfer. You can actually track your transfer through your MTCN number that is provided by your sender. If you are the receiver, just put also the tracking number. And then if you don't know the MTCN, you can click this one. Next would be, you can see here finding location that is near you. You can find location that is near you. It will be listed in here. And then there are actually ways on how you want to receive your money. First is cash pickup. First step would be visit a Western Union agent location. And then the second step would be provide your sender's details, including the money transfer control number or the MTCN. Third would be show a government issued photo ID, of course, to verify that you are really the recipient. Fourth would be get your money once your details have been verified. The next option would be bank account. In here, it will be showed your local bank account, but in my case, it is in my local country bank account. So just enter your full name, give your full name and your bank's name and account number and the purpose of remittance and your address and your mobile number, and the money will be directed and received to your bank account. The third would be mobile wallet. If you're a registered user of your local mobile e-wallets, you may choose to receive receive money directly in your mobile wallet via Western Union. Second would be to receive a transfer in your e-wallet, you must have a fully registered profile. You should submit your ID information and other mandatory details to your e-wallet provider as per the regulations and to get it verified. Also, check your e-wallet's provider's website to learn more on how to register your profile. Third would be once you receive a transfer in your wallet, you will get a text message on your registered number to confirm that the funds have been deposited to your e-wallet to alert you about issues of any. And the fourth and the last step would be remember to ask your sender for the tracking number and the estimated amount sent. I will add some benefits of Western Union for receiving money globally. First is you don't need to have a bank account to receive money through Western Union. You can pick up your money in cash at any Western Union agent location. Second would be Western Union supports over 130 currencies, so you can receive money from your sender in their preferred currency and then convert it in your local currency if needed. Last would be you can track your Western Union money transfer online or through the app to see the status of your transfer when it's expected to arrive. Overall, Western Union is a convenient, reliable, and flexible way to receive money globally. And in case if you don't know where to get your MTCN, it can be found on your transfer history page and in your printed or email receipt. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you the next time.